Toby is a tram engine who has lived on the island of Sodor for many years. And although he is old and not that strong, he has the confidence to show the other engines that he can handle the troublesome trucks.
Hello, James. You look cross. Is something wrong?
Yes, it is. These trucks are more troublesome than ever. I've tried everything. I've bumped and rattled them, but nothing's worked.
Oh, James, you're doing it wrong. That's not the way to treat trucks.
Well, show me if you can do better.
You see, James? All you have to do is start being a bit more careful.